S is for steam engine. Steam engine.
Steam locomotive.
Okay, or steam engine.
It's not moving.
No, but it's puffing out a lot of smoke, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because they burn coal.
Fireball!
And what do they burn in there?
Cow.
That's right, they burn coal to produce steam, and the steam pushes the pistons, and the pistons turn the wheels. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
That's a big one, isn't it?
Yeah.
That one's like Gordon, isn't it?
Yeah, it only has one carriage. It's the cargo one. That one came out of the tunnel.
This steam engine's going backwards and pulling old-style wooden carriages. Look at that.
But they don't have down trains anymore.
No, they don't use steam trains anymore, only electric or diesel. This is the London Transport Museum, and that's a steam subway train. There you can see the pistons. The pistons are driven by steam, which turns the wheels and drives the train.
Yeah. Oh, the kids won't go over a bridge.
Looks like the Hogwarts Express.
S is for steam engine. Steam engine.
S is for strawberry. Strawberry.
Strawberries are what? Here's some. Oh,
Strawberries also grow on bushes.
yeah.
Little short plants, really very small bushes.
And when they're on bushes, they're green.
That's right, but when they're ripe and ready to eat, they're nice and red, just like this. Ooh, they're eating strawberries. What do you think? Do strawberries taste sweet?
Yeah. It's a strawberry movie.
That's right, you can make all sorts of things with strawberries. What's that?
Strawberry ice cream.
Yeah. What's your favorite ice cream?
Strawberry. S is for strawberry. Strawberry.
S is for scooter. Scooter.
Here's someone riding a scooter in the middle of the world. This one is an electric scooter.
That's right.
That's a sitting down scooter.
He's
Wow!
doing scooter tricks.
Oh, he's doing scooter tricks. S is for scooter. Scooter.
S is for seaplane. Seaplane.
Is a seaplane in the water?
Yeah, looks like it's getting ready to take off or something.
It's floating in the water. This one coming in tonight. Oh, it's landing on water. I thought it was landing on the land. It's landing in the water.
That's right, seaplanes land in the water, and they also take off in the water.